that my time. That my crew, that my clique. That my fam, that my sis. That my gang, that my grit. Yeah, yeah. That my job. Aye, yeah. That my job. Yeah. Travel wide, travel wide.
Hi guys. So we are gonna cook. We are cooking. We cooking something. We cooking something good. Tell me why. I don't know why. I have never thought about making this. I never thought about it. I never thought about it. But I was watching and it's a cooking channel. And I was like, you know what? Well, she got us, okay? The way she did it was very smart. She had it on a regular channel where she usually talks about different, reaction videos and stuff like that. Car chats or whatever. Now, I haven't really watched for a minute because I was taking a break from watching people for a minute. But anyway, so I decided to watch her. And what the hell is wrong with this? And so I was watching and she was cooking something. And she said, making Salisbury steak. So I'm like, Salisbury steak? Like, the only Salisbury, I was like, how is she gonna be cooking Salisbury steak? Like, how do you make Salisbury steak? I was curious. I never saw it. I never cooked it. The only Salisbury steak that I ever had was, the microwavable, or in that little container, and it's fake, and I can't eat that because it's processed. Okay, so by the way, I'm cutting potatoes. So I'm over here watching, and I see her. She's taking hamburger meat and she's making patties. I think she made, I don't know how many she made, but she took the patties and she cooked them or whatever, and she made a gravy. And I was like, are you serious? You can make, like, that was a freaking great idea. So I'm giving a huge shout out on her new cooking channel, because if it wasn't for me, deciding to watch that, I would not have this meal idea. I don't know why I never thought about that. But, let's just hope that Kilo likes it. I think he will, because it's different, and I'm making it with mashed potatoes, so I really think he will, because Kilo loves his mashed potatoes, and he's gonna have it with gravy. So, yup, that's what we're doing. So if you want to see, I'm switching it up a little bit. So if you want to see my transition of steak recipe, just keep watching. I'm just gonna continue and fast forward the clip while I do my potatoes. Okay? Okay. Sorry to have you look in my garbage. And speed up the clip. So, instead of using hamburger meat, I'm deciding to use, I'm just going to use hamburgers. The same thing, right? So, we're going to use these hamburgers. We're going to, I think this is going to be good, guys. I have a feeling this is going to be good. So that's my one transition that I'm doing. And I am, okay, so I actually used mushrooms in hers. Unfortunately, Kilo is a picky eater and he does not like mushrooms. So let me just, I'm gonna wash my hands and I'm gonna show you me washing my hands, because we gotta make sure that everyone knows that I'm sanitary up in this piece, you know? No, Melisandre does not go spreading salmonella or whatever bacteria comes from any kind of meat around her whole entire house. So we just gonna wash our hands together. I'm using 1 pump of the oh so fabulous Dial. Shout out to Erica. And we're just gonna wash. Should we count? Or should we say the ABCs? A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O. Okay, that's way too long. Alright, we're rinsing. Plus, anyway, I gotta wash my hands a lot regardless because I have nails and they're actually really long at this time. So, alright. I got the burner on. Let's come with me. See the burner? You can see it over there. Alright. Okay, honey. We doing a dang thing, honey boo boo. Alright. So, if you want to call this pinch a penny, pinch that penny. It's so not light in here. If you want to call this pinch that penny meal, you can go ahead and use yourself some boxed mashed potatoes. You know that boxed mashed potatoes, they're only like $1, like this. Kilo hates them, so we're not about to do that. But if you want to do it pinch a penny style, I'm gonna say use some hamburger patties and use some boxed mashed potatoes. Bing bang boom. And you don't have to use so many, depending on how big your family is. That's how many patties you use. I'm gonna say a man deserves about maybe 2 to 3 patties, depending on how big the man is. Since I have a small man, he doesn't need that many, but I'm pretty sure he could eat about 3 today. Right, babe? Okay, so I got you guys all up nicey. We're gonna season them up with some old-fashioned adobo. And then we're going to add that garlic salt, because we need to season it up real nice. Then we're adding some onion. It's been moist up in these areas. Okay. It smells good already. Let it go. Okay, so what Miss did was use gravy in a bag, but I don't have gravy in a bag, but I do have beef bouillon, so we're gonna make our own. We're gonna use the grease from the hamburgers. Yeah. all that yummy goodness. Let's get some flour. Okay, so we're gonna simmer that. Simmer down, people. You're gonna simmer it down. Simmer down a little, all right? Oh, my house looks nice from here, doesn't it? Looks pretty back there. I love those flowers. Okay, so we're gonna put it on 5. We are going to check the mashed potatoes. Let's check the mashed potatoes. They're done. Let's go make the mashed potatoes. Let's go make the mashed potatoes kilo style. It's kilo style mashed potatoes, because for real, if it was me, I wouldn't be cooking this big extravagant pinch a penny meal. Hey babe, guess what? I'm naming this pinch a penny meal. But you're gonna love it. But it's not pinch a penny, really. Well, it is, but it's not. It's whatever you want it to be. I'm gonna name this a 15-minute meal. That's what I'm gonna name it. So I'm gonna say it's not pinch a penny unless you do it the way I told you, with the box mashed potatoes. Guys, I don't think I have real butter. I don't. So we're gonna use margarine. You guys remember back in the day they used to say that margarine was good for you, and then everything changes and now supposedly margarine's not good for you, or is it vice versa? Butter's better for you than margarine, or is margarine better for you now again? I don't know. Can't trust nothing. Everything in this whole world is poison to you. It's like, can't get away. Can't get away. They will find something in everything. So we're just gonna live our best life, and we're just going to use the margarine. Oh, by the way, guys, kids are still not here. They're still with Grandpa.
Shout out to Grandpa.
Shout out to Pops. Shout out to Grandpops.
Yep. Did you know he's at his house and he's normally dead and quiet, and now it's full of life, you know? It's gotta be kind of cool.
Salt.
Tell me something I don't know. What?
Excuse me. Excuse me. Good old Hellman's. A scoop of that Hellman's, guys.
Oh, wait.
Oh yeah, secret ingredient. If you never tried mashed potatoes with mayonnaise in it, you should. I'm pretty sure everybody has tried it. It kind of tastes like potato salad, but without the eggs. Oh, hell yeah! Oh, it's good. I taste it. The man likes mashed potatoes, guys. Don't judge him. He does. I'll be right back. Okay guys, here it is. It doesn't look as good. It looks like Salisbury steak. It does. Okay, let's go give it to the man. Now I have to get my plate. There's more gravy, more mashed potatoes too, babe. Look at all that gravy left, guys. We could save that. We could totally save that. Look at lady. What are you waiting for, lady? You waiting for him to drop something?
She hoping and praying.
Well,
Delicioso.
what do you think though? Like, what does it taste like? Wait, you gotta eat the meat too with it. That's what it is, babe. Salisbury
Right?
steak.
You know me, I eat my meat last.
I know, but it's Salisbury steak. You need more gravy on the meat then?
It's good.
The meat's good?
It's really good.
Not too salty? It's a hit. It's totally a hit. He would say, you guys know he would say.
Yeah. You know I will.
Yeah. I mean, who doesn't like hamburgers and gravy and mashed potatoes? Okay, granted, used rice. She made it with rice. And I could have made it with rice too, which would have been probably a lot easier and quicker. It definitely would have been done in like 15 minutes because I would have used my pressure cooker. But I know Kilo loves mashed potatoes, so I figure the gravy, the meat, etc., would go perfect. So, shout out to girl. See, you don't know that I be watching you, but I be watching you. I watch all you guys. I still watch you guys. See, you just don't know. You don't know until you know. And that's okay. So I want to give a huge shout out. Channel will lead you to the cooking channel, and I'm pretty excited because I would have never thought to do that. I don't know why. I don't know why I would have never thought to do that. And I like Salisbury steak. Anyway, thanks for watching, guys. Until the next video, keep pinching them pennies, making great meals. And if you know a pinch a penny meal, please leave it in the comments below for your girl and the rest of the ladies that are on the pinch a penny crew. Because we all need some help sometimes, you know what I'm saying? So, alright. Until the next video, we will catch you on the flip side.